Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. So you're trying to lose weight and keep hearing about keto, right? Everyone's talking about how this diet can help you drop pounds fast. But is it too good to be true? Can the keto diet really help you lose weight fast, and what happens after the scale starts to stall? We're going to break it all down, the science behind why keto works, how to troubleshoot those pesky plateaus, and most importantly, how to keep that weight off long term. Because, let's be real, yo-yo dieting is the worst. Stick around, smash that like button, and let's get you on the path to sustainable weight loss. Alright, so let's talk keto. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, has been making waves in the health and fitness world for its impressive weight loss results. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Keto, short for the ketogenic diet, is all about drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats. This shift in your diet forces your body to enter a unique metabolic state. Think avocados, nuts, olive oil, good stuff. These foods are rich in healthy fats that your body will use as its new primary energy source. Now, when you severely limit carbs, your body goes into this metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your liver starts converting fats into ketones, which then become the main energy source for your body. Basically, without carbs as its primary energy source, your body starts burning fat for fuel. Pretty cool, right? This process not only helps in weight loss but also in maintaining muscle mass. But that's not all. Keto also helps curb those cravings. When you're on a high-carb diet, your blood sugar levels can be all over the place, leading to sudden hunger pangs and cravings for sugary snacks. See, when you're on a standard diet, your blood sugar levels can spike and crash, leaving you feeling hungry and reaching for sugary snacks. These fluctuations can make it really hard to stick to a diet. Keto helps stabilize those blood sugar levels, which means fewer cravings and less temptation to overeat. By keeping your blood sugar levels steady, you're less likely to experience those energy crashes that make you want a snack. And here's the kicker. Because you're burning fat for fuel, you're more likely to see those pounds melt away faster, especially in the initial stages of the diet. Many people report significant weight loss within the first few weeks. This is why you see so many people raving about keto weight loss. The results can be quite dramatic, and for many, it's a sustainable way to keep the weight off long term. It can be a really effective way to kickstart your weight loss journey. However, it's important to remember that keto isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet is always a good idea. A nutritionist or dietitian can help tailor the keto diet to your specific needs and ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. They can also help you transition into and out of ketosis safely. So, if you're looking for a way to jumpstart your weight loss and enjoy a variety of delicious, healthy foods, keto might just be the answer. With the right guidance and a bit of dedication, you could be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, every journey is unique, and finding what works best for you is key. Here's to your health and happiness on your keto journey. Okay, so you're on keto, you're doing everything right, but the scale just won't budge. It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you feel like you're putting in all the effort and not seeing the results you expected. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. Weight loss plateaus happen to the best of us. It's a common experience, and there are several reasons why this might be happening. One of the biggest culprits? Hidden carbs. These sneaky carbs can be found in places you might not expect, and they can add up quickly, derailing your progress. Even if you think you're being super strict, carbs can sneak into your diet in surprising ways. For instance, certain vegetables, sauces, and even some spices can contain more carbs than you realize. Sauces, dressings, even some keto-friendly processed foods can have more carbs than you realize. Always check the labels and be mindful of serving sizes. Another thing to watch out for is portion control. It's easy to overeat, even on a keto diet, if you're not paying attention to how much you're consuming. Just because something is keto-friendly doesn't mean you can eat unlimited amounts of it. Portion sizes still matter, and eating too much can lead to consuming more calories than you need. Nuts, for example, are packed with healthy fats, but they're also calorie-dense. It's easy to eat a lot of them without realizing how many calories you're consuming. Overdoing it can definitely stall your progress. Keeping track of what you eat and how much you eat can help you stay on track. And then there are metabolic adaptations. Your body is incredibly smart and can adapt to your new way of eating. Your body is a master adapter. Over time, it can become more efficient at burning fat for fuel, which means you might need to adjust your calorie intake or activity levels to keep seeing results. This is why it's important to regularly reassess your diet and exercise routine. The key here is to be patient, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes small tweaks can make a big difference. Track your food intake, adjust your macros if needed, and listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and make adjustments as necessary. You'll get through this plateau. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. Celebrate your small victories along the way and stay committed to your goals. With persistence and the right adjustments, you'll see the results you're working so hard for. Alright, so you've crushed your weight loss goals on keto. Amazing, but now what? How do you transition off the diet without gaining all the weight back? The key is to ease back into carbs gradually. Don't go from 0 to 100 overnight. Start by adding small amounts of healthy carbs back into your diet, things like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. At the same time, make sure you're maintaining a calorie deficit. Remember, weight loss ultimately comes down to calories in versus calories out. Even if you're eating healthy foods, eating too many of them can lead to weight gain. And of course, don't forget about exercise. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining weight loss. Find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable lifestyle, not just follow a temporary diet. By making gradual changes and focusing on healthy habits, you can keep that weight off for good. Now let's talk about some general weight loss tips that apply whether you're on keto or not. These tips are universal and can be adapted to fit any lifestyle or dietary preference. The key is to find what works best for you and stick with it. These are things that have helped me and countless others stay on track and reach their goals. First up, meal prepping. This simple yet effective strategy can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. Seriously, this is a game changer. By dedicating a few hours each week to prepare your meals, you can save time, reduce stress, and ensure that you always have healthy options available. Taking some time each week to plan and prepare your meals in advance can make healthy eating so much easier. You can create a menu, make a shopping list, and cook in bulk to have meals ready to go. Plus, it helps you resist those last-minute unhealthy takeout temptations. When you have nutritious meals ready to eat, you're less likely to reach for fast food or snacks that don't align with your goals. Next, mindful eating. We've all been there, scarfing down food without even tasting it. This often happens when we're distracted by work, TV, or our phones. Slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eating mindfully can help you enjoy your food more and recognize when you're truly satisfied. You'll be surprised how much this can help you eat less and enjoy your food more. By being present during meals, you can better appreciate the flavors and textures of your food, leading to a more satisfying eating experience. And finally, consistency is key. Whether it's sticking to your meal plan, exercise routine, or any other healthy habit, consistency will help you see results over time. There are going to be days when you slip up, and that's okay. It's important to remember that nobody is perfect, and setbacks are a natural part of any journey. Don't beat yourself up about it. Instead, acknowledge the slip-up, learn from it, and move forward with a positive mindset. Just get back on track the next day. Consistency doesn't mean perfection, it means making more healthy choices than unhealthy ones over time. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Weight loss and healthy living are long-term commitments that require patience and perseverance. And speaking of journeys, I want to leave you with this. Your weight loss journey is about more than numbers on a scale. It's about building habits that last, feeling your best, and living a healthier, happier life. Focus on the positive changes you're making and the progress you're achieving, no matter how small it may seem. You've got this. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Surround yourself with supportive people, celebrate your successes, and keep pushing forward. Your journey is unique, and with determination and perseverance, you can achieve the healthy, fulfilling life you desire. So, there you have it, the lowdown on keto for fast weight loss and how to make those results last. Remember, keto can be a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. The real magic happens when you combine it with a healthy lifestyle, consistent effort, and a whole lot of self-love. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried keto for fast weight loss? Share your experiences, struggles, or tips in the comments below. Let's inspire and help each other on this journey. Guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, consistent changes over time that add up to big results. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on health, fitness, and everything in between. stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one.